Hi, I'm Chuck Ewing, owner, founder of the Appliance Factory in Mattress Kingdom. I've been in the appliance business for over 40 years, and I want to talk to you about the reliability of your appliance. People always come to me, Chuck, should I get this repaired? How long will this last? Well, here's the reality. Most appliances will last 7 to 9 years, and the manufacturer estimates with one service call, they'll last another 3 to 5 years. Now, that doesn't mean they're necessarily going to last that long. That's just what they say they spec them for. The reality of it is they have all these electronics on them, they have moisture, and the manufacturers have not mastered the engineering. On top of that, there's this microcircuitry and very small, fine wiring, and so they're much more delicate than they used to be. So if you look at new appliances, the durability and the repair rates are much, much higher. So what we see is people replacing appliances between 5 and 7 years. And part of that is because of the durability on them, the types of repairs, the cost of repairs, and also you have technicians that have to be much more skilled to fix the appliances properly. So ultimately, new appliances, they look nicer and they have great features and they're very energy efficient. However, they're not going to last near as long as you'd expect them to. You're going to be lucky if they last 10 years, and you're going to be unlucky if they last 5 years. So just to summarize it, why is this, right? 1, electronics. 2, moisture. 3, they have much more delicate components. 4, the cost to repair is much higher. And 5, the skill of the technician out there doing the repair is as low as it's ever been compared to the complexity of the appliance. Good luck with your appliance. I hope this helps. Appliances are much more complicated, much more energy efficient, and in the long run, realize you're actually saving money because they're using less electricity and they have great features on them.